So, hello everyone, my name is Harjeet and today I'm going to show you some cool tricks for MongoDB and how to use $push pull in your a single document. So, first of all, for this, if you have a data structure like this, you have a document and you have an underscore ID like advice questions. In this document, you also have another object, right? You have two objects like objective and subjective. Inside objective you have an array, so it's an object and you have a structure of array. You can store array inside objective. So inside objective you have these kind of values like, and you have underscore id which is unique value, and other array inside hair care array. You have another array called options, right? And you have another key like is delete. So how to update a single document in MongoDB while using a single underscore ID, and which is the data structure is database is very deep inside and like very hierarchically deep. So it contains an object contains array contains the value of another array. So how to update all these things I'm going to tell you today. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to push the value inside the options, these options. So we have object, inside that we have hair care array. After that, in option array we have value a1, double a1, triple a1. So we need to put the value inside this options. So what will be the query of this advice question? It's like it's like underscore id. So you have to assign underscore id. After that you need to inside find query. So you need to use object dot hair care, which is an array, and underscore id. You have to traverse according to you have to traverse this id. You have to find this id, and you don't have to use elemMatch in this query. So you just implement you just write object dot hair care dot underscore id 1. So instead that, use $push which needs string. You need to push inside the option value. So you need options where you want to push option, where you need to push the options. So it's in object dot hair care dot options. So you have to push the hair inside this array. So let's execute this query. One update one is required in 1 millisecond. So let's check out our database hair care options. Now you look at that, we have pushed the value of options without any element match. So like Harry pushed inside the options, right? Now pull the value of Harry from the options. So it's simply the same. You have to traverse your object dot hair care dot underscore id to 1, which is this id, and you have to pull this time the which value you want to pull from the array. So I want to pull Harry. So now look, inside objective I pull the value Harry. So there is no Harry inside the options value. So it's a very key thing that I am going to tell you today, that you can use in real daily life situations or queries to find when you are going to update, find anything inside your document in a single document. Now another thing, if you want to update the value of is deleted inside the array of hair care, so It's simply the same. You have to use $set against $push. So you have to traverse same id objective haircare underscore id. You will find the dollar of this, and you have to set the value of is deleted to true, right? So it's right now true. I'm going to false it first of all, right, and execute this. Now inside objective array hair care is deleted value going to be false. So it's now updated to a false. Now in same skincare, for skincare, if I want to update the value of is deleted skincare to true, so I need to use change my find query like this, skin underscore care dot underscore id, and id is this time is 2. So we need to this 2 and $set this objective dot hair care to replace with skincare is deleted to false, is deleted to true. So we are going to true this value right now. So execute this query and you can find that the value of objective hair care is still false and skincare is deleted is true. Now if you want to replace the like whole object inside this hair care object, you just simply use $set and you can do this like this. Use hair inside objective hair care underscore id1 and $set the value of objective hair care to new object. Now this new object is replace this value. Cool. So let's see this. The whole object is going to replace with is replaced with like new hair care object, and that's what happened right now here. So friend, these are simple tricks of MongoDB. If you like this video and you want some new or more video on MongoDB or JavaScript, you can just comment me and I will tell you that real life or daily daily base query that you can use in your database queries in MongoDB and JavaScript and all, and which are very tricky. Some queries are very tricky and very easy to learn. So thanks friend, have a great day, bye.